Hey folks, Jonathan here. I wanted to show you one we picked up today. I tried to record the recovery on this vehicle, but every time I turned my camera on it would last about 5 seconds and then shut off, quit recording, so I didn't get it recorded, which kind of bothered me. But this vehicle was upside down, perpendicular to the road, and as you can see, it was wedged between two trees. There was one on this side, one on the other side, and you know, there wasn't a real good way of getting it out. And you'll be able to see in the pictures, we did get a few pictures of it, but there was a creek beside it, and there's actually where one of the trees was wedged straight up through here, and then I'll show you the other side where the other tree was wedged right here. So it wasn't coming out easy, and she actually hit a tree on the opposite side of the creek and jumped the creek and landed upside down, and tore it up really bad. And as you can see, the problem is pulling it out. If we just drug it out on its roof, and which was kind of a pain because of the trees, but it would have rolled over into the creek, and that's something that we didn't want. And so we had to cable it up a couple different directions, but you may be able to see a little bit in the short little bit of video I got, or the pictures, but I'm going to show you. The thing about this vehicle is the girl that was driving it had 3 kids with her. The youngest one was 5 years old, no car seat. I think she did have them in seat belts. You can see the seat belts was cut, and there was all kinds of stuff laying in this vehicle. Now this wheel was actually off of it, but I found a 10-pound weight off of a weightlifting bar and a jack, like a scissors jack, that had flown up and actually got one of the kids in the face and knocked his or her teeth out and cut his face a little bit. But anything you haul in a vehicle is like a projectile. I've seen batteries come through windshields, and these big speakers that some of these boys run, I've actually seen them come all the way through on head-on collisions. And if that stuff hits you in the back of the head, you know, it could kill you real quick. But anyway, I'm going to post the pictures of this, and I think everybody that was in it's going to make it through all right. I'm sure scars, but hopefully be okay. And I'll post the pictures and what little bit of video I think that the camera did get. Alright, bye. Here, film a little bit of that. It's on record right now. Film a little bit of it while I get it. It does. Let's see how long it records this time. Okay, we got a creek beside it we don't want it to roll into. It's recording for a minute. Alright fellas, another recovery. I got a Ford truck stuck. There's a skid steer there. I don't reckon it'll get it out. On the other side there's a tractor stuck. Looks like a Massey 135 or something. So we'll see what it looks like. Show you more. got him. Alright folks, we got it out. I just found his cell phone here. Make sure he gets that. Pretty muddy. So there's a spring here. That hole's already filled up with water where the tractor was. He said the skid steer is about worthless. It don't look like it's got much for tires. Alright, till the next one. Bye.